Hello and welcome to my video. You will see how to upgrade to replace nvme SSD on your ThinkPad T480s and where is located a memory slot on the motherboard. To safely work with the internal components, you will need to disable an internal battery. Your laptop will turn off and you can proceed to unscrew all screws from the back cover. Do not forget to like and share and subscribe to the channel. To remove the back cover, always pull the cover from the side where are the screen hinges. Some plastic pry tool could be helpful in this case, but my laptop has been already opened a couple of times and I didn't need to use any pry tool. And here you can see M.2 slot for our nvme SSD. Simply remove the screw that is holding the SSD and you should pull it up and to the side to remove it from the slot. Now you can put your new nvme SSD. It should be in size 20-80 and it is a key M. Also you can see a ddr4 memory slot. My laptop has 8 GB of the operating memory directly on board and this single memory slot is empty and can be used to extend the operating memory. At the end, you should put back the cover. You should start with side opposite to the screen hinges. Press the cover until it sits firm in place. Then you can put all screws back. Thank you for staying until the end of the video. Do not forget to like and share and subscribe to the channel.